Hi there. So this week we're going to talk about fall and winter home preparation tips. Hi there, I'm Aundrea Beach-Greco, your local mortgage expert. It's my passion to help you with the largest investment of your lifetime, your home. And it's super important to me that you're armed with the right mortgage and credit strategies to help you make short and long-term goals. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. My contact information is below. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help. I think we're going to talk about fall and winter home preparation tips for here in Las Vegas. So temperatures are just now starting to dip and change to that fall weather. Jackets are now required. Isn't that funny? We're going to be talking about some preparation tips that you can do around the house to prepare for the next few months of cold weather. The first recommendation is fertilizing your lawn if you still have grass. Second thing you can do is trim back all of your bushes and hedges. Number 3, check on those air filters and smoke alarm batteries. Inevitably, you'll be sleeping and at 2 a.m. that chirp chirp will go off. So now's a good time to get those replaced and refreshed. Next is wrap your siphon valve outside of your home just to make sure that it's extra insulated on those freezing nights to make sure you don't have a pipe burst. It's a great time to clean out those gutters and make sure there's no leaf and debris. Now is a great time to get your air conditioner and furnace serviced and looked at, prepping for those winter months. Living in the desert, we have such mild climates. However, there are some nights that get into the freezing temperatures, so you just want to be prepared. A few little extra steps can help you along the way. If you have any questions, just reach out. I'm happy to help. Have an awesome day.